Hey guys, today we'll try to understand the different charts which are available on Google Sheet. We have earlier seen some common charts. Today we'll try and explore some of the interesting charts, like the one which we'll be seeing in some time, like the waterfall chart. But before getting into waterfall chart, we first need to understand what does the waterfall chart can depict in a data, or what is it being used for. So usually this waterfall chart shows how values add or subtract from a starting value. Yeah, so there is, suppose you have a revenue that has been generated. We usually in financial terms say it to be a gross revenue. From gross revenue, you cut down the expenses till you arrive at a profit. So this entire process from a higher level value or from a starting value, subtracting or adding values and coming to a net cash flow or probably quarterly budget changes. This is what can be used through a waterfall chart. Yes. Let's see how that could be shown. Suppose I have year-on-year revenue uh, like this. Yes. I'll again remove the dollar sign just to make the values a bit simple. Yes. So I have year-on-year revenue of my company. So if I want to see a waterfall chart of how my revenue has been trending through through each year, so and getting accumulated across the end of 2018. So I'll say I'll first select the data. I'll select chart, insert chart from the formatting bar. Yes, this is what it is showing right now, the area chart, but we don't want to show area chart. It doesn't look good how it's going up and down. It doesn't look nice as well because yes, a line chart is a way of showing data or series, but this is not how you want to show it to make it more catchy to someone who wants to understand it. So I'll say I'll go to area chart. Yeah, I there are various ways in which you can see revenue, which is showing right now as an area chart. You have the stepped area chart as well. You have column chart. Column chart is also a good option to show your chart this way. This also looks good and uh, looks catchy to the eye, but the negative values are still shown as in the same color, which shows it is the same. But waterfall chart, what it does, I'll click on waterfall chart. You'll see the negative values are seen in red, and you get a subtotal a total at the end. Yes. So you understand if I put the data labels, I'll just put the data labels, data label. So here, the total 36,397 is the total cumulative revenue that I have generated over the entire years from 2013 to 2018. Let's see whether my total is right. I'll say sum and I'll select the entire value. You can check what is sum in my previous session. I'll remove the sum because it is getting added here in the graph. So I'll just remove the entire sum. So we are sure that 36,397 is the total sum of the revenue that I've generated cumulative or from 2013 to 2019. And there are some years in which I have gone into negative revenue, which is shown in red, and there are positives as well. So this is how it is useful for a person to show what is happening in his company, and it looks pretty clear to the eyes whether how the revenues are going. As I told you earlier, you can show from an income statement till the profits that you have generated by using probably this kind of data where there is an income being generated and then you have wages been cut down, the cost of production being cut down, and the taxes being cut down. And after that, after deducting all these expenses, the income that you generated would be the final. So how do I show that? So I'll select it once again. I'll select the chart. Again, it is showing me the most probable way of horizontal bar chart, and you have a waterfall chart as well as in the suggestion. Yes, but again, we'll do it from the normal ways. We'll go to the waterfall chart and click on it, or you can use it from the suggestion. So let's use it from the suggestion because it's already showing me you can use it as a waterfall chart. So I'll click on it. Here you are. Yes. So this looks good. Yeah. It clearly gives you an idea of what's happening on your income flow. So my income is, this is what it has been totally generated, and the negative ones are getting it dropped. So my income is getting dropped by wages, cost of production, tax or fee, and this is what is the remainder. So what I have here, so let me put the data labels once again. I'll put the data labels, and you'll be able to understand from 2,20,000 as income after cutting down all my expenses, it has gone to 44,500. So this is a really a good way in which you can show this kind of expenses. You can use it for your balance sheets, you can use it for income statement, or you can use it to show your costings as well of goods. Yes. So I hope you'll love this chart and use it for showing some financial analysis on your dashboard. Thank you so much.